Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Dividend and Conquer, your go-to channel for making smart investment decisions. And hey, while you're here, why not hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell? It's like giving us a virtual high five, and trust me, we love high fives. Today's topic is a crucial one that affects all of us, the housing market. It's been a roller coaster lately, hasn't it? Like a financial theme park, but without the overpriced snacks. Well, strap in and make sure your wallets are secure, because we're diving deep into what's happening and how you can turn these challenges into opportunities. Think of it as a treasure hunt, where the map keeps changing, exciting, unpredictable, but oh, so rewarding when you find that X marking the spot. Let's conquer the twists and turns of the housing market together, with some laughs along the way. After all, who said finance had to be all charts and no charm? Imagine this: mortgage rates are soaring, reminiscent of the turbulent 1980s, not the 2008 crash. That's right, we're in a different ballgame now, one where the pitcher throws curveballs in the form of interest rates. Analysts from leading financial institutions liken today's scenario to the 1980s housing market, a time of high interest rates and economic shifts. Think big hair, neon colors, and interest rates that could climb higher than your favorite 80s rock band's high note. What does this mean for you? It means strapping on your economic time travel gear and getting ready for a ride. Let's unpack it with a bit of humor. After all, if we can't laugh at the past's fashion choices, what can we laugh at? But don't worry, we're not just here to reminisce about the past. We're here to decipher how these retro trends are making a comeback in our modern financial world. Understanding this can help you dance to the beat of today's market, even if it feels like you've stepped into an economic music video from decades ago. So, grab your economic boombox, and let's break down what soaring mortgage rates mean for your wallet, your home, and your future investment strategies. In the 1970s and 80s, the U.S. grappled with soaring inflation, leading to unprecedented mortgage rates. Imagine trying to buy a house with interest rates skyrocketing to 18%. It's like going shopping for a house and finding out you also have to buy the entire neighborhood. It sounds almost fictional, but it was the reality back then, kind of like disco and bell-bottoms, but less fun. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing a similar pattern. Mortgage rates are climbing steadily, as if they're on a financial escalator that only goes up. This has everyone scratching their heads wondering, is this the new normal? It's like watching a rerun of an old economic drama. You know the plot but can't believe it's happening again. These rates are playing a game of financial limbo, but instead of seeing how low they can go, they're testing our patience on how high they can rise. But fear not. While the rates may be doing a throwback, our strategies and financial savvy are thoroughly modern. This isn't just a blast from the past. It's a chance to learn, adapt, and potentially thrive in a market that's pulling out some classic moves. Before we dive further, if you're finding this discussion insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Dividend and Conquer family to stay updated on all things investment. Practical implications. So what does this mean for potential homeowners and investors? It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, high rates mean tougher mortgage payments. It's like trying to run uphill possible, but you'll need more stamina and a solid plan. Higher rates can strain monthly budgets, making it crucial to consider the long-term impact on your finances. Think of it as a financial marathon, not a sprint. On the other hand, it's a golden opportunity for savvy investors. With fewer people able to afford homes, the market might cool down, leading to an increase in available properties, potentially at more attractive prices. This is akin to a sale at your favorite store. The prices drop, and suddenly you can afford that item you've been eyeing. Lower demand in housing could create a buyer's market, where negotiating power shifts towards the buyer, allowing for better deals and more room to maneuver. It's all about perspective. For investors with the right resources, this could be a prime time to expand portfolios. For those looking to buy their first home, this might be the moment to get a foot in the real estate door, provided they're prepared for the higher rates. As always, the key is informed decision-making, understanding your financial limits, market trends, and long-term goals. Let's take a quick history lesson, and no, there won't be a pop quiz at the end. Back in the 80s, when rates hit 13%, it stifled many potential buyers. It was like trying to start a lawnmower that just wouldn't cooperate. Frustrating and exhausting. However, those who braved the storm, armed with patience and a solid plan, found unique investment opportunities. It was like finding a hidden gem in a sea of rocks. Think of it as the financial equivalent of discovering an awesome band before they hit the big time. History often repeats itself, and this time, you can be on the winning side. Like the cool kid who knew about the trend before it was a trend. It's all about having the right mindset and strategy. Back then, those with foresight and financial acumen turned a seemingly dire situation into a profitable one. They were the financial ninjas, stealthily navigating through the economic shadows. Today, armed with this knowledge and a dash of humor to lighten the mood, you too can spot these opportunities. The key is to learn from the past, adapt to the present, and plan for the future. Remember, every economic challenge comes with a silver lining. Sometimes you just have to look a little harder to find it. So, let's put on our financial detective hats and uncover the potential that lies within these challenging times. Current trends. Fast forward to today and we're in a similar boat, but with better technology and less questionable fashion choices. The rates, hovering around 8.5%, are like that one friend who always overstays their welcome. They might not be leaving the couch anytime soon. It's crucial to adapt our strategies accordingly. Think of it as updating your financial software to meet the demands of the latest economic operating system. This isn't a time for wishful thinking, it's a time for calculated, smart decisions. It's like playing a game of financial chess, where every move counts, and patience is key. The key to winning this game is not just about making moves, but making the right moves. In this scenario, knowledge is not just power, it's your best ally. With the right strategy, this economic tide can be surfed rather than feared. So let's grab our financial surfboards and ride these waves with skill and a bit of humor to keep our spirits high. Investment strategies. As we navigate these turbulent waters, remember, the best defense is a good defense. It's like playing financial dodgeball. You want to dodge the high debts and catch the savings and investment opportunities. Keep your debts low, as if they were hot potatoes you don't want to hold for too long. Your savings, on the other hand, should be like a well-fed piggy bank, getting bigger and more robust. And your investment strategies? They should be as flexible as a gymnast, able to bend and twist with the market's ups and downs. Think of diversifying your portfolio like eating a well-balanced diet. You need a bit of everything to stay healthy. Consider stocks and ETFs that show promise, like scouting for hidden treasures that everyone else has overlooked. And always, always stay vigilant, like a financial guard dog, always alert and ready to act. It's not just about playing it safe, it's about playing it smart. With a pinch of humor to lighten the mood, a sprinkle of caution, and a big scoop of strategic thinking, you'll not only weather the storm, but also dance in the rain of potential opportunities. So let's keep our financial umbrellas handy and enjoy the journey, rain or shine. In conclusion, the current market is challenging, but it's ripe with opportunities for those who are prepared. If you're pondering over a house purchase, weigh your options carefully. Is it better to invest in property now or wait for a more stable market? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. Knowledge is your most valuable asset. Before we wrap up, I have a question for you. How are you adjusting your investment strategy in light of the current housing market trends? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. That's all for today on Dividend and Conquer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on smart investing. Until next time, keep conquering.